ShowMeCables carries a wide selection of heat shrink tubing. It is available in sizes from 1/16 of an inch to 2 inches, and a variety of colors. Heat shrink can be used for numerous applications, including insulating solder points, providing enhanced strain relief, and protecting cables from harsh environments. It can also be used to color code cables for enhanced organization. Heat shrink is easy to use. Simply slide the cable over the area you want to apply it to. Provide heat, and the cable will shrink, conforming to the shape of the object. Our 3/16" heat shrink is 2:1, which means the heat shrink will shrink up to half its original size. It is rated for high temperatures up to 257 degrees and will start shrinking at 194 degrees. No matter the application, heat shrinks from ShowMeCables can help you get the job done. It's in stock and ready to ship today.